Okay, now we can see how we can create how we can measure the length of the trunking routing for a particular circuit. Here I drawn a 4 different trunking routings, so each is serving from one MSB to another MSB. So for example, this one is starting from MSB1 and end at MSB2. I call the circuit as a circuit 1, and the second one MSB2 to MSB3, and I will call it circuit 2 and vice versa. So now we have to go to check the schedule. I created a cable tray schedule which consists of all these parameters: name of the family and circuit number, start point, end point, size and length. So here is the total. This is the overall schedule which consists of circuit 1, 3, 2, 3 and 4. So now for example we need only circuit 1. Then we go here to edit the filter the circuit 1. So go to filters, select the circuit name number. Yeah, correct, circuit number. Then the parameter is which is equal to circuit 1, then it will be shown in the schedule, which means only this one will be shown in this schedule. Okay, so now here you can see only circuit 1 is here and the total quantity is 24.954. Okay, this is how we can schedule the length of the cable trace.